Welcome to Spark to Switch, the journey of electricity. We will explore how electricity is generated, transmitted, and its underlying physics, emphasizing safety. This video is part of the Class 8 science curriculum. Imagine a world without power. Cities would be dark, resulting in no light and reduced safety. Communication and labor-saving devices would cease to function, impacting modern life significantly. Electricity is fundamentally the flow of electrons, or the flow of charge per unit time. This is defined as current I, measured in amperes A. Sources like power plants, batteries, and generators facilitate this flow. There are two main types of current: direct current DC, which flows unidirectionally from sources like batteries, and alternating current AC, which periodically reverses direction. AC is what powers our homes from the grid. The core variables of electricity are voltage, V, the push or potential difference, current I, the flow of charge, and resistance R, the obstacle or friction. Current flows because of a potential difference. Power P is the rate of doing work. By substituting the definitions of work and charge, we derive the fundamental power formula. Power equals voltage times current. P equals V times I. Power is measured in watts, W. The electricity journey from plant to plug involves transmission. Power is generated at 11 kilovolts, stepped up to 132 kilovolts for long-distance transmission to minimize heat loss, and then stepped down to 220 volts for use in our homes. When electricity enters the home, 3 wires are used. The live wire carries 220 volts current from the source. The neutral wire completes the circuit at 0 V. The earth wire provides a crucial safety ground at 0 volts. Domestic wiring uses parallel circuits because they ensure that a failure in one appliance does not break the entire path, unlike a flawed series circuit. In parallel, all devices receive a constant 220 volts. The commercial unit for measuring electricity consumption is the kilowatt-hour, kWh, or 1 unit. This is equivalent to running a 1,000-watt appliance for 1 hour. The electricity bill is calculated by finding the consumption, final reading minus initial reading. The total cost is then calculated by multiplying the consumed units by the tariff rate. The fuse, made of a low melting point alloy, is a sacrificial safety component. If current exceeds a safe limit, the fuse heats up, melts, and breaks the circuit, protecting appliances. It is always connected to the live wire. The modern protector is the miniature circuit breaker, or MCB. It uses the magnetic effect of current to automatically trip in milliseconds when current is too high. A major advantage is that it is reusable. Earthing is vital for safety. Without it, if a live wire touches an appliance casing, a person touching it could receive a severe shock. Earthing provides a path of least resistance for the current to safely flow to the ground. 2 key electrical dangers are short circuits and overloading. A short circuit occurs when live touches neutral, causing current spikes and fire hazards. Overloading happens when too many appliances draw excessive current. Electricity must be treated with respect.